Hello everyone, I'm Sami Sadawi. I'm a technical manager at La Chance Group. Requirement of energy to support our body for many functions. In animal side, when we add the fat, the main functionality of fat to increase the energy density of the diet. Why? Because the density of the diet, especially in animal diet, it contains a lot of fiber and it contains a lot of carbohydrate, and in this case it is low in energy density. In that time, the energy density in this diet, it may be not able to provide the whole nutrients, so we need to provide the need of energy. That is mean we need to add external and supplemental fat to increase the energy density up to meet the nutrient requirement of the animal, especially for high producing animal and animal in the peak. This is in addition, the fat it may be part of the diet. As example, in animal diet, it contains up to 6%, and for the high producing animal, it can increase up to 7% as a part of dry matter intake. In general, the basic diet has about 1 or 2 up to 3% of the fat as a dry matter percent of the diet. This amount of fat in the basic diet most of time is suitable to provide the needs of the animal, but in some cases, especially for high producing animal, it should to add extra fat to meet the needs, because the amount of fat in the basic diet not enough to meet this demand of animal. About the fat in animal diet, we have many different fat in animal diet. The first one, the fat located in the basic diet as a part of the forage like alfalfa and corn silage, and the fat located in the concentrate like corn grain, like soybean meal and other oil seed stuff. The third part is the fat that we need to add external source as a fat supplementation, and in this part there are two parts on this part. The first one, the fat from oil seed product from plant originated, and the second part to make this external source as a protected or encapsulated. Why we make the encapsulation in fat of animal diet, especially for ruminant animal? Because this fat is hydrogenated, is hydrolysis inside the rumen by the action of microflora. So we need to support all this amount and to reach to the small intestine to provide the whole amount and the focused amount of the fat. So for these cases, the industry is going to make a encapsulation or protection to make a cover and declination of the fat to avoid the action of microflora when the fat goes through the rumen. So in that case, we can able to provide the animal with a concentrated amount of fat to reach to the small intestine, so to be absorbed and to make the functionality.